I'm representing myself today. I don't know what all happens today, but I'm talking to the judge without the court-appointed attorney.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, I don't.
Don't listen. You don't you dare just lean on my podium and pretend like that. Not here. Court calls the case, People versus Chloe Whitsett.
Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett, who is approaching, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm dismissing my court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay, start with this. What's your name?
Chloe Whitsett.
Right away, this hearing takes an unexpected turn. The defendant wants to fire her court-appointed attorney and represent herself. But that's not as simple as just saying it. A judge has to make sure the decision is made knowingly and that the defendant understands the risks. Would you ever represent yourself in court?
Okay. And you're intending upon representing yourself in this matter?
At this time, yes, Your Honor, I am. I am dismissing the court-appointed attorney at this time, yes.
Okay, what's going on?
Until my family and I decide what law firm we are going to choose, I will be representing myself.
Okay, all right. So you need time to seek a attorney?
Well, not really, but I have a request at this time, as I am representing myself.
Well, not until such time as I relieve Mr. Drukas.
Okay, thank you.
That's what I'm trying, I have not done so.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out what the issue is and what you're intending upon doing.
Dismissing the court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay.
I'm sorry, at this time. I can't make it any clearer, and I don't understand.
You're not making it very clear to me at all.
Okay.
You're not listening,
I'm confused.
just talking. Are you going to hire an attorney?
Yes.
Or are you going to represent yourself?
Today, Your Honor, I'm going to represent myself. If my request is denied by you, then I will be hiring an attorney. I can't make it any clearer than that.
So if I relieve Mr. Drukas, you're going to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
So if they set it for a preliminary examination, you're ready to go?
I'm representing myself today. I don't know what all happens today, but I'm talking to the judge without the court-appointed attorney.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, I don't.
Don't listen.
Uh-oh, this is the moment everything changes. The issue is no longer just about legal representation, it's about courtroom conduct. One of the fastest ways to lose credibility before a judge is by interrupting, arguing, or showing disrespect. And Judge Simpson is making it crystal clear that he's running this courtroom.
You don't you dare just lean on my podium and pretend like that. Not here. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass the matter because if you come back up and start banging your nails on that podium, you're going to be going with Mr. Allen. You may have a seat. Don't shake your head at me. Oh. Mr. Allen, might want to have a conversation with her and tell her that she better check herself before she comes back up here. Thank you, Mr. Drukas. Okay, so who wants to go next? Christian Philippe.
Notice what just happened behind the scenes. During the short break, the defense attorney calmly explained the legal process, and suddenly the entire strategy changed. Sometimes a 5-minute conversation outside the courtroom can completely alter the direction of a case.
He calls the case, People versus Whitsett.
Apologies on behalf of people.
And Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett.
Take your name.
Linda.
Apologies on behalf of my client for earlier. I did have an opportunity to speak with her during that break and go over the process of where we are, what's going on right now. She did tell me that she would like to obtain a new attorney. So in the meantime, I can assist her with getting a copy of the discovery, getting a copy of the videos, which I don't have yet. I was going to be asking for an adjournment today to obtain those. So ultimately, I'd be asking for at least a 2-week adjournment. And I talked to her about her behavior in court, and I think that she has an understanding of that and will abide by anything the court orders her to do. So with that, I'd be asking for an adjournment of today's hearing.
Is all of that correct, Ms. Whitson?
Your Honor, I would like to apologize. I had complete zero understanding, but yes, that is correct.
The apology may have come just in time. Judges appreciate honesty and accountability, but timing matters. Once courtroom decorum has been challenged, rebuilding that trust isn't easy. Do you think this apology was sincere, or was it simply damage control?
So, let me tell you something. I should have locked you up. You're lucky that I just took a deep breath and said, I don't know what's going on. I'm just asking her questions. And you come in here, I don't think we've ever seen each other. And you just come in here disrespecting me in this court. And I'm going to tell you something else. That man standing beside you right now, it's the only thing that saved you from going to jail. I had pretty much made up my mind that when I came back out here because of what you had done, you were gone.
This is one of the strongest moments of the hearing. The judge reveals he had seriously considered jailing the defendant for her behavior, but changed course after taking a step back. It's a reminder that professionalism from defense counsel can sometimes prevent a bad situation from becoming much worse.
So while you may not want him representing you, he just saved you. But remember one other thing. The funny thing about judges, we have exceedingly long memories. You come in here acting like that on the next day, I'm not even going to ask any questions. You are just going to go.
And that's the final lesson from this courtroom. The judge grants another chance, but with a clear warning that there won't be a third. Respect for the court can influence how smoothly a hearing proceeds, regardless of the underlying charges. Do you think Judge Simpson struck the right balance between discipline and second chances? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Are we clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
April 11th, 2024, 9 a.m. as your invite indicates. This time the defendant's bond will continue.
Thank you.